Hello everyone, my name is Krishna from News 47 Media. Today we are going to talk about the story of Haseen Dilruba starring Taapsee Pannu, Vikrant Messi and Harshvardhan Rane. The story goes like Rishabh Saxena, aka Rishu, resides in Jwalapur along with his mother Lata and father Brijraj. He is looking for a girl for marriage and his search leads him to Rani Kashyap in Delhi. Rishu falls for Rani instantly. Lata realizes that Rani is not simple and homely girl that she is looking for. However, Rishu is adamant the marriage takes place. A nervous Rishu fails to consummate the marriage. Lata meanwhile starts chiding Rani for lying that she can cook. One day Rishu overhears Rani speaking to her mother and her Masi that Rishu is not good in bed. Rishu is hurt and retreats her into a shell. Rani gets lonely. One day Rishu's cousin Neil Tripathi comes to stay with Saxena's. Neil is dashing and well built and Rani gets charmed by him. Neil realizes that Rani is attracted to him and both begin a fling by sharing a hot passionate kiss. Rani falls in love with Neil to the extent that she begins to learn cooking, feed him with his favorite dishes. One day Neil expresses the desire to have mutton. Rani, who is a vegetarian, agrees and goes out to buy meat. The same day she tells Neil that she would like to end the marriage and move in. A commitment phobic Neil panics and runs away. Rani is hurt and she blurts the truth to Rishu. Rishu wanted to have a fresh start, but this confession hurts him and even more. A few months later, an explosion takes place in the Saxena residence, killing Rishu. Kishore Rawat, the investigating officer, is sure that Rani has killed Rishu as he thought she helped the planned crime when accidental footage came out that Neil was escaping just before the explosion happened by swimming in a river behind the house. A few months earlier, when Rani blurts the truth to Rishu, his evil sides come out and he had planned different attempts to hurt Rani. However, things are coming out slowly into the positive side when Rani apologizes for her mistake when she tries to attempt suicide. On one day, Neil visits Rishu's house when Rishu was not home and he suddenly returns earlier than expected by Rani. Rishu asked Rani to go outside and told them he could sort out things with Neil. When Rani came back from the market and feeding the dogs with mutton, an explosion takes place and she cried for Rishu. Kishore Rawat failed to accuse Rani for being the murderer when she cleared a polygraph and she leaves the police station happily. It is revealed that when Neil had come to their house that day, she gets in a fight with Rani and threatens to leak her private photos in his WhatsApp groups. Angered by this, Rishu attacks him and in ensuing fight, Rani hits Neil's head with a big piece of meat to save his husband and accidentally kills him. Rishu, wanting her to go to jail, cuts off his hand and places it to make it look his body and runs away from the back. Exits in Neil's clothes. Rani goes to market and gets the murder weapon chopped into pieces, which she later fed to the street dogs. After 5 years, Inspector understands everything about the plan the couple made and thought husband might be dead or maybe alive, but case already closed, so no need to open it. The couple is escaping the crime, reunite their love more vital than ever. So stay connected with us for more stories from News 47 Media. Thank you.